Hey, what's up guys? Caleb here. Thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be talking about something that I'm really excited about, and it has to do with our switcher. We've added this little guy right here. It's called a Stream Deck, and essentially what I can do is program these buttons to do just about anything. So what I did is I made it to control our switcher. So I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to improve our workflow and help us to work a little bit quicker. And ultimately improve the live streaming experience for our viewers. So I'm going to show us how to use it the way I set it up, but then also how you can make it how you want it. So like if you have a different way you want to lay out the buttons, I'm going to show you how you can do that so that you can use it to whatever works for you in your workflow. All right, so here we are. This is the layout I have set up. On the left hand side you've got the first page, which is ME1, which corresponds with this down here, and then I can page up to ME2, which corresponds with this up here, and then I can page up to 3, obviously, which corresponds with this one, and 4, which corresponds with this one. Essentially the way that it works, and I'll show you here on 3, is exactly the same as pushing the buttons with your mouse. So if you hit, for example, camera 1 here on ME3, you're going to see it change on the Stream Deck. So that's pretty cool, right? So all you have to do, see if I can get this in focus. If you want to make a cut, you just push whatever you want to change to, right? If you want to do an auto fade, so this top row is the program, this bottom row is the preview. So if I hit camera 1 preview and hit the auto button, it will transfer just like it would if you push the auto button in the software. It's pretty cool, pretty nifty. Not sure why I said nifty, but hey, here we are. It's pretty simple to use right now the way I have it set up. I like it the way it's set up, but let's say that you want to set it up a little different. What you need to do is go into Finder, Applications, and this little guy right here, Companion. It'll open up this, and all you have to do is hit Launch GUI, Launch GUI, and it'll bring us to this this website here. Basically, it's a web-based GUI. But anyway, so I'm going to bring you a little closer. So in here, we have this right here. This module is called Blackmagic Design. If we want to change the buttons, we come up here and hit the buttons. I'm going to pick you guys up. Just give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. This might be a little shaky. But anyway, you come up here to buttons, okay? And what that does is it gives you this layout of your Stream Deck. You can see, where am I at? You can see if you hit here, it'll change pages. And one thing you'll notice is we have 99 pages. We'll probably never use that many, but we have them. And so if you guys wanted to set up your own layout for your own workflow, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 used for ME1, 2, 3, and 4. So after that, they're open and you can set it up how you want. So once you're on here, you can go to page 5. You can rename the page if you wanted to name it your name. Oops, I am trying to type one-handed and it is not working. There. And then you can come over here under presets, hit Blackmagic Design ATEM, and there's a lot of buttons here. So what you look at is like preview ME1, program ME1. So if you want the program stuff to be on top, click into program ME1 and you can pick whatever you want. So if you want to just have the cameras, you can click it and drag it over to whatever button you want it on. Click, drag, just like that. If you want the preview, go back and hit preview ME1, and it's the same idea. Click and drag, and you will notice if I page up here that it is showing up as I make changes. So if I bring camera 11, for example, right here, it shows up. If you want to remove a button, you can right click it and erase, clear, and it'll go away. So that's basically how you do it. The main concern here is making sure you pick the right thing. There's a lot of different options here. Preview and program for each of the mix effects 1 through 4, and then you even have transitions for each one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then after that, you've got your keys on air, your keys next, which is basically your on air buttons. On air would be a cut, next would be a preview, and things like that. So you can easily make this thing do just about anything you can think of. If you look at my setup, I finally got around to setting up a logo for our live stream if we ever need to cut it. So now, if we take it back to our ATEM software, and I can show you our thing here. So now on ME3, if I hit logo, boom, our logo shows up. I'm probably going to make it a little bit different. That's pretty big and in your face, but anyway, I also have that down here where I can actually transition it. So if I want to transition to the logo, it will fade with the auto button. But yeah, that's how you can set up your own layout with this thing. It's really, really easy, guys. Feel free to play around. We've got 99 pages. Just go on page 5 and beyond and start playing. Thanks for checking this out. Have a good one.